Welcome to Fishing with Wayne. Today I'm at Larford Lakes on the Specimen Lake. There is some seriously big carp in here. I'm trying to beat my personal best, which is 13.5 pound. But if I hit anything over that, the tackle I'm on, I think it'll bust my rod in half. So let's see what today brings. Okay, it's a bit slow again this morning, so I've been trying corn, meat, worm. So what I'm going to do now is try a bit of pressed bread, which is a tactic a good mate of mine showed me. So I will show you how to do this and how to press it at home, and so it binds to the hook well. A little bit of ground bait on. I've been feeding both margins straight in front of me, no joys yet. So I'm hoping that they will home in a bit, because I've put quite a bit of feed out. So I mean, this lake obviously is called the Specie Lake for a reason, because it does hold some monstrous carp. Nice tench bream. Hopefully I can catch a few double figures today and hopefully beat me personal best. But it's one of them with fishing, you can't always win. But I'm sure I won't go home empty-handed. Terry Toolbox is fishing to my left. He's just come off the maggot. He's had a few small roach on the maggot. So he's gone on the rod now. He's going a bit further out, which I'm going to continue to keep going further out if I don't get any in the zones I've been feeding at the minute. I'm hoping I don't get too plagued with ducks after what happened the other week, but we shall see. Also brought a few, the trusty old garden worm again. They never seem to fail me, so I'll have this cast on the bread and I'm going to try the worm. Definitely fish in me swim because I'm knocking me line, so hopefully it'll come back and take that in a minute. Well, I just swam past the trusty old garden worm. Not doing any good anything else. Right, let's see. I've been feeding pellets, I've been feeding corn, a bit of ground bait. So hopefully if I do start hitting one, I'll continue to do so. Failing that, there's a lot more I can do. We've got pellets, bread, meat, corn and worm. If I don't get a knock in 5 minutes, I'll reel it in and reboot it back out like some fresh feed on. Keep targeting different zones. Right, I've had an hour on the Specie, drew a blank at the minute, so I've just moved on to the match lake. Hopefully catch a few for you, so let's see what happens. I'm going to try a piece of corn in my feeder, make it into, bury the up bait into a nice ball which will break down when it hits the bottom, and hopefully the fish will come along and suck up my piece of corn on the hook. Oh, here we go. First chuck over to the island on the corn.
He's intel. Ever. No weight, is it, Wayne?
Yeah. 3 or 4 pound, I think. That's the thing, see, I mean, you hit them on that Specie, 6 times out of 10 it's a double.
Yeah.
I mean, it's, you know, he's having a go, listen, like.
It's finding them though, isn't it?
Exactly, mate, it's a big old lake, isn't it? That's certainly bigger than Terry's roach. I mean, he's still having a good go here. I mean, I can't. He might be 5 pounds, you know. This one. Yeah, not bad fish at all. Looks like a mirror. Still having a go. Not bad at all. Straight out. Yeah, he ain't bad, is he? Nice mirror carp. Nice one, Tom.
Nice one, Wayne. I just had another roach. See, that's 6 ounces I've had since we moved up here.
Okay, I'm just going to have a switch now from the corn. Try a bit of me punch meat that you might have seen in one of my videos. So in that goes there. A little bit of ground bait on top, just to disguise it. Boom. This is what they call the match lake. Obviously there's a lot more carp in here, so you know that's why I produced that one pretty much quick, but it's still, you know, you still got to keep at it, you still got to keep putting the feed in. You can't, you know, you can't catch a fish at chuck, it's not that simple. So I'm trying the meat now. I'm going to try the my garden worm, which seems to have been a bit of a speciality of late. So we'll give that a go in a bit, and also some bread. Feels a bit breamy. Then got the fight of the carp. Oh no, it's a carp I think now for that. A little carp for you. So it just goes to show that by using some worms out your garden and a bit of leftover bread out your cupboard, fishing doesn't have to cost you anything. Thanks for watching Fishing with Wayne. The cameraman's off now, so I'm going to carry on fishing and hopefully catch a few more. It's been a bit slow again, but I'll keep trying. Like, comment and subscribe for more. See you again soon.